Kashoo and Refrens both promise to simplify your business finances, but which one really delivers? On the left, Kashoo, simple, smart accounting for freelancers and small businesses. And on the right, Refrens, comprehensive accounting and invoicing for modern teams. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. All right, before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick rundown of what we'll be comparing today. First up, pricing. Then we'll talk features, ease of use, customer support, scalability, and target users. And finally, mobile capabilities. Ready? Let's go. Let's kick things off with pricing. Kashoo gives you an affordable base price. It's one of those straight-up transparent monthly subscriptions. No confusing math. But honestly, if you need anything above their base offering, like more advanced stuff or extra users, that price ticks up pretty quick. Oh, and one thing some folks will notice, no free plans, so you're committing from day one. Now, hopping over to Refrens, this is kind of interesting. You can actually start out free for pretty basic needs, like sending invoices or managing a few clients. If you want those advanced features, you'll pay for add-ons. But at least you're only upgrading what you need. Flexible, right? Honestly, who doesn't love some free stuff? If you're watching your wallet, Refrens just might come out ahead here. Next, let's chat features. Kashoo's got some cool essentials. Automatic bank feed categorization, which, saves so much time. Easy invoicing, receipt tracking. You can do your bookkeeping from your phone. And yes, multi-currency support is in there. If you're a freelancer, you'll probably love how simple it is. That said, it's a bit, let's say, basic if your business is growing fast. There isn't much room for complex tax automation or big custom tweaks. Now, Refrens, this is fun. They've really gone all out with things like GST and e-invoicing. Super handy if you're in India. Built-in lead and client management, recurring billing, expense tracking, and some pretty sweet financial reporting. But just a heads up, the juiciest of those accounting features do live behind a paid upgrade. Still, if you want a full-featured platform and enjoy digging into numbers, Refrens kind of knocks it out of the park. On to ease of use. Kashoo's vibe is basically, let's keep things simple. The interface is super intuitive. Even if you've never touched accounting software before, you can figure it out. Fast onboarding, clean look, no big headaches. Refrens, also very user-friendly. Their dashboard is easy to navigate. You don't get lost in endless menus, and setting up is pretty effortless. Both nailed it. No frustrations here, honestly. Gotta call this one a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Refrens actually started as just an invoicing platform in India? Fast forward to now, and they're supporting businesses all over the globe. That's some serious growth. Let's switch gears and talk customer support. Kashoo delivers solid support through phone, email, live chat, the basics. They've built up a good rep for getting back to folks, especially with everyday queries. But if you've got something tricky, maybe a complex report or tax issue, you might be waiting a bit longer. Now, Refrens is kind of famous for their support. They hold a 4.9 out of 5 user rating. That's no joke. People rave about how easy it is to get help and get set up. Fast responses and helpful solutions seem to be the norm. So, support-wise, I'd give Refrens the edge. How about scalability and target users? Kashoo is honestly perfect for freelancers, solo founders, small startups. If your business is just getting rolling or lives in that one-person shop zone, Kashoo is a dream. However, once you start hiring, need more robust team features or more advanced tools, you'll notice some limits. Refrens, meanwhile, is built for freelancers, startups, small to medium businesses, and even enterprises. It really adapts as your business grows, which is freaking awesome if you suddenly go from solo to a whole team. If you're thinking big or might expand, Refrens is just way more flexible. Last major piece, mobile capabilities. Here's something I absolutely love about Kashoo. Their mobile app is robust. You can manage pretty much everything on the go. Banking, receipts, invoices, the whole deal. So if you're out and about, no problem. Refrens, meanwhile, gives you a nice, mobile-friendly interface. You can do tons from your phone or tablet. But if you want those advanced mobile tools, like deeper finance management or special features, you'll probably have to pay to unlock them. For day-to-day on-the-go management, Kashoo takes this one. So if we zoom out and look at the big picture with all these categories, Kashoo is awesome for freelancers and small biz owners who just want something simple and automated. But Refrens, it's basically the Swiss Army knife here. Tons of features, super scalable, fits almost any size business. If you want options and room to grow, Refrens kind of steals the show. Here's the bottom line. Kashoo is a fantastic pick if you're just starting, want affordable monthly accounting, and don't need all the bells and whistles. Refrens is really the go-to for businesses that want deep features, full scalability, and especially for folks needing stuff like GST, e-invoicing, or managing lots of clients. Personally, If I were launching a startup in 2025 and wanted a tool that could grow with me, I'd lean Refrens. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next